Asawa reveal. Yung asawa ko nasa Taguig.
Kala ko nagtago na. Toothpick. It's a perfume. See. Oops! That's my wife. Oh yeah. I'm there. We're just getting flying over. We're just having train. Right. So, ingat palagi na lang siya. Make sure that this was thoroughly clean, rinsed in tap water, and allowed to dry. One measuring cup, about 250 ml volume.